This is Rocking Chair on Leash. He is an excellent loose leash walker. Just likes to be close to you. Takes his time sniffing. He will pull a little bit when he gets excited, but pretty much non-existent. Just hi, baby. Hi, baby. Put your hand down. Hi, baby. Hi, sweet boy. You're so handsome. The most handsome boy in the whole world. What you doing? Yeah. Ready? Go get it. Good boy. Oh, get that ball. Good job, baby. Good boy. Hello, love. Watch me. Good boy. So gentle. What are you doing? Roxy? Yes, good boy. It's good, baby. You're so gentle. You're so handsome and gentle.